Number two for today, Shmias Ozen, hearing with your ears. Let us explain in two different levels. One could learn Torah by reading books, by reading Sforim. But really, to appreciate the depth of Divrei Torah, you need to learn from a Rebbe. Ruach Chaim, Reb Chaim Evoloshin, the greatest disciple of the Vilna Gaon, explains, and I quote, B'Shmias Ozen, K'moishe Kosuv, a posuk in Yeshayahu, Shim'u v'techi nafshechem, כי חוש השמיע, מה שהוא שומע מאדם, תפעל יותר ממה שהוא רואה בספרים. Any scholar, any Talmud Chacham could really testify. Yes, one could learn on his own. He could learn the Gemara, he could read the Sforim. There is no substitute to learning from a great teacher of Torah, to learning from a Rebbe. And that is the importance of Shmias Ozen. You could learn without listening to anyone. You could learn by reading. Your eyes could be the way to learn. But if you really want to achieve Kinyan Torah, Shmias Ozen. We know that Rambam speaks about Matike Hashmua, Sharsheres HaMesorah. Moshe Kivel Torah Mesinai, Umesorah LeYehoshua, Yeshua Nezekeinim. That's the very introduction to Masechet Avos, to the Masechet in which our Braisa is part of. And the Rambam, in one of his great introductions, enumerates who were the ones that were Matike Hashmua. So the real method to achieve Torah is not only with your eyes, but your ears, Shmias Ozen. Let me make another point. Shmias Ozen could be interpreted as hearing. I think it doesn't mean hearing, it means listening. We all hear, but only the few know how to listen. You need to develop your ability to listen. To listen means opening your ears, opening your mind, opening your heart to what others have to share. There's a gewaltige word from the Kotzker Rebbe. Vayishma Yisroi. And Rashi explains, Ma shmu hashoma v'bo. Did Yisrael just hear? The Kotzker Rebbe asks, everybody heard. The world heard. Shamu ami mi'gozen chilochas yoishvei peloshes az nivhalu alufei edoim. Chazal teach us that Matan Torah was such a momentous event in distant countries. Everybody heard. They all heard, but only Yisrael listened. And that makes the difference. Shmias Ozen is not about hearing Torah. It is about listening. It is about trying to be a true Talmud from a great Rebbe. And that is how the giants of our Messiah developed. By listening. We listen to our Rebbeim, but you need to develop the ability to listen not only to those that are greater than you. Sometimes you could achieve Chachma by listening to those that you might be greater than them. Eizehu Chacham, haloimed mikol Adam. Harbe lemadeti merabaisai, said the great Amoira Reb Chanina. Mechavere yoyse mehem, umetalmidai yoyse mekolam. You just need to learn how to listen. So number two, step number two in our quest, in our journey after Talmud is Shmias Ozen. You could learn on your own. but it definitely is preferable to hear from others, to hear what others have to share, the accumulative knowledge of thousands of years of Omer Torah. That is the way to achieve greatness. B'Shmias Ozen.